Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're returning. So I feel like y'all set me up for the okie doke. I mean, it was a couple months ago. I put up a little poll and I said like which perm rods would y'all like to see me use. I had the orange ones, I had the pink ones, and I had the teal. And oh no, I think I had the black ones. Black, teal, and pink. But anyway, y'all said y'all wanted to see me use the pink ones. And I was like, okay, do they want to see me use the pink ones because that's like the length of their hair, or they think it'll be a good idea with my hair? I think this is a horrible idea. I'm just being real with y'all, but I love y'all. And I put up the poll and y'all said that's what y'all wanted. So I'm gonna give the people what they wanted. So today we're gonna get into these pink perm rods. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do like twist at the roots and then perm rod it. I didn't really know, but you know what? Listen, I still don't know. We're just gonna go with it. So yeah, my hair is it's up, it's braided up and it's stuck. So I'm just gonna take these things down as I go. And without further ado, let's just get into what we plan on doing with these perm rods. All I did was unbraid my hair, and since I already had defined part lines, I was going to use those sections, but then I realized they were a little bit too big for the rods. So in order to part my hair without using a mirror, I kind of do like the pluck method. As you see, like I'm kind of taking the tip of the comb and I'm poking around to feel for my scalp. If I pluck a little bit and I feel hair, then I know not to pull the comb because I'm just going to rip my hair out. So I find the spot that's just my scalp and then I go straight down. That's how I part my hair. So I took a couple of pumps of the Lotta Body and I put it on the section, and as I noticed my hair was starting to revert, I figured I would strand twist my hair from the root down about 1 inch or 2 and then wrap my hair around the rod. It worked fine for the back section because my hair doesn't revert so much. The back of my hair is a looser texture, a looser pattern, so it was a little bit more agreeable. As you see, I just took my fingers and ran it around the rod to actually smooth my ends. That worked just fine for the back of my hair, but as I was moving up, yeah, the rest of my hair was not about to play that game. So what I winded up doing was braiding my hair about 1 inch or 2 down from the root, and then I took the rod and I just went to the end of my hair and I wrapped from the end up to kind of secure my ends so that they wouldn't be frizzy. So braiding my hair at the root kept my roots from becoming frizzy, and wrapping my hair around the rod from the bottom up kept my ends from being frizzy. Now, with my length and the size of these rods, I'm feeling like I'm having to overlap my hair, so I just kind of am predicting that this takedown is going to be a little bit difficult. Now, my hair does not easily separate, like not at all, so already having 3 defined pieces for the braids will make my hair separate, will help with the separation process a whole bunch. But I think because, as you can see, I'm having to overlap my hair a lot just to get my hair to fit on the rod, I don't think this takedown is going to be very pretty because I think my hair is going to be very resistant to separating. But we will see when we get there. The key to a really slick looking takedown is that you want to maintain that tension. As you can see, I combed my hair out and I never let it go. I kept the tension on it. I kept it stretched so that when I put it on the rod, it was still stretched. That also helps when it comes time to take it down because my hair doesn't separate. You don't want to let your hair revert because then you'll just keep having to comb it out. So once you comb it, keep that tension, keep your hair stretched, and then wrap it in a stretched state all the way up to the top and then secure it stretched. That's how I keep my hair like shiny looking once I do the takedown, even though I think this takedown is gonna suck, but anyway. Some rods are just going to look better than others. Of course, this one in the front looked a little raggedy because I was trying to make sure I was getting it in the camera so y'all could see like the angle was a little off. and I was also trying to wrap it. So yeah, it was a little sloppy. But as you can see, what I did with my hands, that's what I'm talking about, like taking my hand and just going around the rod to smooth the hair on. And then once I did that, my hair laid right down. So that's kind of another thing that you want to make sure you do to make sure that when you do the takedown, it's not frizzy. I've said it a million times already, I think my takedown's gonna suck, but it's just because I have so much hair on that rod and it's overlapping way too much. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Do y'all think I'm gonna have a smooth takedown or it's gonna be a little rough? Either way, make sure you guys thumbs this video up and catch part 2.